Good morning, everybody. Everybody's up getting ready for church. I've got some cinnamon rolls in the oven, and I'm gonna make a big old omelet, but it's gonna be not really an omelet. It's a deconstructed omelet. This is the quick way to do an omelet. If everybody wants one, but you don't have time to do individual ones, you just do one big omelet skillet deconstructed thing. All the flavors of the omelet in one pan for everyone. So I have some cheddar cheese that was oddly cut by someone, and we have breakfast ham slices, eggs of course, and I'm gonna go get pepper, and I only have a red onion. I forgot to get onions, so I'm gonna skip the onion this time because I only have a little bit of a red one. So we're just gonna do some peppers. Manly is already up this morning. Usually he's the last one up, but he was the first kid up this morning, so I've already gotten him ready. He's over there watching 3, 2, 1 Penguins while I'm cooking breakfast. He's wearing his shirt that I got him with a tie this morning, and y'all, that is a real tie. That's the first time I've ever seen him put a real tie with a little kid's shirt like that. Usually it's a Velcro one, or you know, one of those little ones that snaps, but this one is a real one, and I don't know how to tie a real one. So when Titus finishes getting ready, he's gonna tie that for me. Okay, I'm putting some butter in our pan here, and then we're gonna chop up the ham and the pepper. The cinnamon rolls, they probably just have about 8 more minutes. So by the time we get all this omelet stuff done, they should be about ready. The butter is just starting to melt, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these peppers in here with the butter. And then we'll slice up the ham. We hear you, Roosty. It was raining earlier this morning. Now the sun's coming out a little bit. It's still kind of cloudy. So you can do this with bacon or sausage too, but so I'm gonna make this kind of quick. I'm just gonna use that breakfast ham because it's already fully cooked. Alright, so we're just gonna let the peppers and ham cook while we mix all the eggs in a little bowl. We also need just a little bit of milk and some salt and pepper. Let's see, I think we'll go with at least half a dozen eggs, maybe 8. We'll go with 8. Okay, I'm going to shake in a little bit of salt and pepper. A little splash of milk in there. For 8 eggs, that was probably a little less than 1/4 of a cup. We're gonna let these peppers keep cooking. Sorry, my kettle's going over here. We're gonna let these peppers keep cooking for about 2 more minutes. Then we'll be ready to add the eggs in. I'm gonna go ahead and shred up the cheese. You still sleepy? When we've got it almost done, we're gonna put the cheese on top, and then just put the top on. I'm gonna throw a little bit of cheese in here with it right now. Then we're gonna put cheese on top and put the lid on the pan just long enough to let the cheese melt. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down to low too now, so it's not continuing to cook our eggs too much on the bottom. You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go ahead and frost the cinnamon rolls. You want a cinnamon roll?
Yeah, but I don't get it on my face.
You don't get it on your face?
I don't want one anyway.
You don't want a cinnamon roll? You want some eggs? I'm gonna get me some coffee real quick. I can't remember if I told y'all about this Rockview creamer, so I got it from Ingles. They always have it on sale, and I've been wondering about it because it's only $2.98 most of the time. And all other creamers, you know, are anywhere from $4 to $5. So I got it. It's great. I've only tried the hazelnut so far. Now they have like a vanilla caramel. Can't remember what the other flavors were, but anyway, the hazelnut is great. You know what they were? What were they? Pink and white and blue. They're probably all good, right? Yeah. I used the coffee pot this morning only because I wanted the smell of coffee to fill the house. It wakes people up even if they don't drink coffee.
What's that smell?
First, we gotta go get the eggs.
The eggs are in here.
Yep, we have some in this refrigerator ready to go.
Here, you want some of these strong?
Sure. All right, I'll hold this in too. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what we're making?
Yeah, what?
Egg salad.
Oh, egg salad.
Yeah.
Can you crack it?
Well, we don't want to crack them. We're gonna cook them like this and then we'll peel them.
3, 2, 1.
We'll need about 8 of them.
Okay, that's little turkey egg.
Welcome to the next day, everybody. It is almost lunchtime. Me and Mr. Man are getting some eggs started over here for egg salad. You want to do a turkey egg? We've never hard-boiled a turkey egg. We'll give it a try. We'll see what happens there. I've got a cup of water in the Instant Pot and I put my rack in. I think that's all we need. We have 10 in there total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's all we need. We'll put these in this refrigerator.
This one came from a big chicken.
All right, we've got it sealed. We're gonna pressure cook for 5 minutes.
We then do this one, and this one is so small, and this one is so big. Yeah, it's this.
Yeah, it is. Okay, let's put them all in here. Look, we have 2 more turkey eggs right here.
Whoa, that's a yard of turkey eggs.
Let's put these eggs over here. You gotta do it really, really gently. Yeah, really slowly. We'll have to wash some more later today. Since we're making room here, we're trying to use up some eggs because we have an abundance right now. So yeah, it's the next day and another pretty one. Jonah and Cece are wanting to get their schoolwork done so we can get outside. I've got to change out my lemons and, well, I don't even know if I have any. I have 1 orange. Oh, you gonna take your rest now? Before lunch? Okay, go ahead. My lemons and oranges are starting to make the water taste funny, so I need to switch them out and wash this real quick. Celery. We're gonna put in a few red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, cucumbers, sweet relish, and we also need red onion, but I'm not gonna put red onion in all the egg salad because, you know, some of the kids don't want just the not cooked onion in there, but I am gonna put it on mine. Okay, and I have lettuce over here too. That's gonna go on the sandwich. Cece and Jonah are gonna get the turkey eggs. They wanna peel those and eat them. Let's see how hard they are to peel. Yeah, it's easy to peel. There you go. Yeah, they're still easy to peel. The shell's just still a lot thicker.